Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes, so I will pause recording software for now, and I will be back at market open. All right, going to go for call contract here at 32.50. I'm in at 32.50 for a call contract. Let's see what it wants to do here. Not as liquid as I thought it would be. So out there just for $10, well, maybe I would have been okay. It is really early morning trade. I got it filled basically 16 seconds in the day. And yeah, in hindsight, would have been perfectly fine. But it just, things dropped a little bit too far against me where I never felt I needed to take a loss per se, but I did need to err on the side of caution. And that is the kind of counterbalance to when you hop in right away within the context of a day. Is it going to work out? And I thought I could have gotten $100 very quickly, and it was knocking on the door, but never happened. And then dropped down, and then it became okay. Like I said, not willing to take a loss quite yet. I think I still got a chance, but I also have to acknowledge that I'm kind of on the edge here of, does this even make sense anymore? So just decided to basically reset. So $10, so small winning trade there. And now if the price wants to come back down, I could very well be interested again. And I would be interested again at 31.50 if it wants to come back down there. So, well, actually, I think I can get a little bit better than 31.50. Let's go 31.20. There we go. I'm not really liking all this. Maybe I need to change strike prices. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 31.50 here for a call. Let's come down just a bit more. Is that where it's going to bounce right there? We'll see. We go 31.20. There's the bounce. So I kind of had a couple choices there. My entry point was slightly off from that blue line, but if anything, the power of charts, you saw that blue line sitting there the whole time, bounced right off of it. So it was not the chart's fault. It was my fault for not quite getting the entry point in terms of where the option price was going to be at that moment in time. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that order out. All right, I will pause. All right, going to go for call here at 30.50. Nope. Go to 29.50 instead. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 28.50 now. If you're not familiar with my screen, that needs to turn to green to me being buy, and I'm watching that number right there. I want to see that drop down to 28.50 and then go slightly below it, which would mean that I'm filled. 28.20. In there at 28.20. And out for $50 on that move. So just a quick little sniper shot there. Gonna change strike prices. Go to 29.50 here. I go 29.50 if this wants to come down some more. All right, I will go ahead and pause. All right, want to put now at 37. In there at 37 for a put. And out for a quick little $50 move. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 33.70 here for a put. In at 33.70. Why does it keep jumping like that? My platform is... To clarify, it's not my platform's fault. It's just my order is not staying best, so it's harder to try to cancel things out. Yeah, it's so weird. All right, got out for $80. So what's confusing me is, watch, I'll put in an order and usually the white remains right there. So let me just put in something crazy where I won't get filled. So 28. So watch. Well, now you do it. Anyways, if you scroll back, you'll notice that I was having to come over here and then scroll down to find my best order. So that's what was throwing me off. But anyways, worked out $80 on that one. But yeah, things got pretty jumpy for a second there, but everything worked out fine. I'm potentially interested in taking another put up around that area, but we'll see what happens. But I will pause, and yeah, it's funny. I just want to try again. So 27. Let's see if it shows up as the best. Okay, yeah, right there. See how it's not showing up? Now I have to scroll down. So I don't know why it was doing that. 27. Yeah, see, look at that. Even though I'm at the bottom, 27. Yeah, there we go. Look. All right, I'm going to maybe restart my platform and see if that fixes it or not. Well, typical. Now it's making that move again. All right, I'm not going to restart right now because this is getting up. Okay, now it's coming back down. All right, I'm going to pause and restart. All right, let's see. So again, I'll scroll down. Let's see, gonna at 32.50. All right, there we go. So hopefully it stays that way. And I do like 32.50. Well, I did like it, but now the price is dropping. So I'll cancel that out. And just to make sure, 32.50. No, why is it doing that? All right, well, it is what it is. I will go ahead and pause. I have an order at 35.50 here for a put, looking for a break of this blue line. And then for it to spike up and fill me, and then ideally get me out relatively quickly. So that's the idea. I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 34.70. Oh, for a second, looking like I might have been filled. Okay, in there at 34.70. All right, just hopping out with $30. That one's getting a bit too spicy for me all of a sudden. I don't know where that exactly came from, but, and I know I said I wanted to see it spike. I would be interested though up at 95. So we're getting close for a potential another trade. If this thing wants to come up to 519.95-ish, I would be interested for another potential trade. So we'll see if it can make its way up there. I can try to eyeball it. Yeah, so maybe 32.50. Yeah, 32.50-ish might be a decent spot. Let me just double check, make sure I typed in the order the right spot. There we go. So 32.50. We'll see if it can make its way up there, again, to that yellow line. I will pause for now. Okay, maybe here. Like I said, I'm at 32.50. All right, I'm going to adjust 31 here. There we go, 31. I will pause. All right, I'm going to cancel that out because it's now starting to pull back and consolidate a little bit. It is 10:33. I wanted to be done within an hour today, so I missed my goal by 3 minutes, but, oh, and there it goes. Wow, and look at that. All right, should I reassess things here? Yeah, let's try 29.50 just in case this thing. And that's why I'm glad I canceled that out, because that order would have been not so good because it consolidated and then you can see the spike there. But, well, I would have probably been okay. Granted, this is all, starting to trade with hindsight here. Yeah. All right. Well, coming back down. So yeah, didn't quite hit the goal. Was, well, now it's 10:34 because I got suckered in for another minute. So missed my goal by 4 minutes, but all things considered, I am more than happy, especially when 2 trades didn't work out. And I had to kind of, now not in the sense of where I lost money, but I didn't quite get the goal that I was going for. So even with 2 trades not working, $220 with commissions, let's call it 210-ish, give or take a little bit. So $210 in 1 hour and 1 hour and 4 minutes. I will take that. I don't know many places in the world where you can make $210 in 1 hour and 4 minutes. And, for me, this is just a side hustle, one of many streams of income. And am I going to be able to go out there and buy a private jet? I am not. But in my stage of life, that's not my goal. My goal is the freedom of time. I'm a father of 6 kids. I work from home. I want to work from home. I've built many streams of income, day trading just being one of them. And that's why I always encourage everybody, build multiple streams of income. Because if you have to rely on one single one, then things can get a little sketchy. But in this situation, hey, I've quote unquote worked for an hour. I'm literally, I was going to say sitting here, but I have a standing desk. So I'm literally standing here in my bathrobe, made $100 or $210 in 1 hour and 4 minutes. I'm very grateful for that. That sounds almost like a scam when I say it, but you just saw it happen. So no, not $2,000. I know social media can make my gains look like nothing, but I'd be very careful with social media and how that builds reality. Because the reality of the fact is, I would never go up to somebody that makes, let's just call it $50 an hour. I would never go up to somebody that makes $50 an hour and say, I made $210 in an hour and 4 minutes. I'm not very happy about that, right? That would make me look so detached, like a greedy savage, and I am not a greedy savage. So I'm very happy with that. I'll take it. And especially, like I said, all things considered, this is with 2 trades not really working and still walking away with a good amount of money. So if you do want to learn more about day trading and swing trading and investing, all that, check out my website, claytrader.com. If you want to trade alongside me and other traders, just go to claytrader.com/team, and I offer a community, and you can learn more about it there. So thanks for hanging out. If you appreciate these, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.